GRAP project, gravity assisted pulse motor update. We removed the double electromagnet configuration after about 40 minutes. It just stopped working. So we installed the 3 inch by 3 inch neodymium magnet. I think it's got like a pull force of like 600 pounds. Have 40-pound weight on it. Move the electromagnet to the middle, so as the period decreases, it'll still trigger the electromagnet. Looks like it'll work out well. This is at 12 volts. Once I increase the system to 24 volts, it should be enough to drive the PMA and transmission. At least that's the impression I get. Obviously, as soon as you put a load on it, the period will decrease. But because the electromagnet's in the middle, it should still continue to operate. Let's see here. Trying to determine whether or not if that's the constant swing at 12 volt, or the constant period at 12 volts. I really can't tell if it's increasing a small amount each time or if it's remaining constant. But yeah, the 3x3 magnet has a neodymium magnet has a really large magnetic field, and you have to definitely have safety precautions when handling such an item. This thing will really chop off a finger if you make a mistake. So, anyways, everybody remembers what I did with my finger with the 1x3s. 3x3s, man, I don't even want to think about it. Anyways, it appears to be working well, and we'll post updates when available. We'll get the transmission PMA hooked up again and go from there. That 24 volt system should be enough to produce some kind of output at the PMA. Anyways, thanks for watching. Enjoy the day. Cheers. Let's see if we can get a close up of the 3x3. Wow. So that's the 3x3, and you can see how it's just getting pulled all over the place. Anyways. Alright, that's cool. So we'll post results when available. Enjoy the day. Cheers.